The second standard before you get into geometry is solving equations and inequalities. The big idea is to do order of operations backwards, but in reverse order. So PEMDAS now becomes SADMAP. Here are some helpful hints before you start. Equations have equal signs, where inequalities have greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to signs. The only difference between the two is that when you are solving an inequality, if you divide or multiply by a negative number, you must flip the inequality symbol. Before you start, make sure you simplify anything you can. Usually, this means to distribute and combine any like terms. Remember, your goal is to get the variable by itself. Usually we try to get it on the left side of the equal or inequality sign, but it doesn't really matter which side you put it on. Also remember that the P, though it stands for parentheses, could also mean grouping symbols. Square roots and operations above or under the fraction bar go in this category as well. So here's an example. The square root of 5x plus 6 minus 3 is equal to 1. So if I'm doing an order of operations backwards, I'm going to deal with this minus 3 first. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides, simplify both sides, and I'm left with the square root of 5x plus 6 is equal to 2. Now remember that square root is a grouping symbol, so I have to get rid of that first before I can work inside of it. So I square both sides and I get 5x plus 6 equals 4. I subtract 6 and then I divide by 5. It's perfectly fine to leave your answer as a fraction. Let's do another example. Here we're going to undo the bottom of the fraction bar first. So we're going to multiply by 2x minus 3. Once I distribute that, on the left side, the 2x minus 3 goes away, and on the right side, I'm going to distribute, and 3 times 2x is 6x, and 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Now I'm going to solve it like a regular equation, subtracting 6x from both sides to get negative 2x plus 3 is less than negative 9. Then subtract 3 from both sides and divide by negative 2. But remember, when you do this, you have to flip the inequality symbol, and it should be x is greater than positive 6. For a third example, we have 3 parentheses 2x minus 4 plus 3 is equal to 5x minus 6 plus 2. And here we're going to distribute and combine like terms of anything we can first. So now when I distribute this 3, it's only going to things inside the parentheses. I get 6x minus 12 plus 3 is equal to 5x minus 6 plus 2. Now I can combine like terms. I get 6x minus 9 is equal to 5x minus 4. Subtract 5x from both sides. I get x minus 9 is equal to negative 4. I'm going to add 9 to both sides, and I get x equals 5. Here's some problems for you to try. Try these by yourself. Hit pause. If you've tried all these questions, hit play and check your answers. If you have any questions, ask your teacher.